With DICOM Vision, you can easily use our seamless integration of Meta's Segment Anything model, SAM version 2, for advanced segmentation and mask generation on your DICOM images. To begin, open a series and navigate to the AI and Mask Editing section. Before initializing, you can adjust the window width and window level values and select the range of slices the model should focus on. From the AI Models drop-down menu, select SAM2 Initialize to initialize the model. Once initialized, you can start generating masks by adding positive points, indicating areas to include, and negative points, indicating areas to exclude, on a single slice. The model will generate a mask based on your input points. If you want to extend the mask across multiple slices, click the Propagate button. This will automatically propagate the mask to adjacent slices, saving you time and effort. After propagation, you can manually refine the predicted masks using the brush tool to fix any inaccuracies or fine-tune the results. Once the masks are finalized, you can generate 3D surfaces from the propagated masks. Surfaces button to visualize the 3D output. This allows you to explore the segmented structures in a three-dimensional view, providing deeper insights into your data. With DICOM Vision and Meta's SAM2 model, you can achieve precise, efficient, and interactive segmentation, making it easier to analyze and visualize complex medical imaging data.